Today I am going to talk about lashes. Today I'm not going to do false eyelashes, but I just want to talk about eyes and how to really make them stand out with mascara, make them look longer and thicker. First thing I like to do with my eyes is I always like to use an eye pencil. If I don't use an eye pencil, I just have really thin, non-existent lashes. As you can see, my brows are the same. If I didn't have these on, and you've seen my other videos, I don't have, my brows are just pretty much non-existent. They're just really, really light. They're thin. I know. First, I want to do my waterline. I prefer only to do my upper waterline. I'm just going to apply this. And again, this is the Larger Than Life from NARS. I'm just going to go. Yeah, I kind of have to close my eye a little bit when I do this. Sometimes I end up getting a little bit on my lower lash line, and if I do, then I just take a Q-tip and I just get it off. And I always go in the corner here too. And then I just try to really carefully scrub it in a little bit too. I haven't even put my mascara on, but you can already see. See how my eye just stands out more, makes my lashes look thicker, and here, you know what I mean? Like you can't even, it doesn't even look like I have lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. You can go ahead and line your upper line. If I do, I usually do a thinner line, but I don't always do that. I'm not gonna do it today, but you can, if you want to, you can do a really thin line there. I don't do wing lines. I've tried doing it. It just makes my eyes look droopy. It just doesn't work out for me. But if you can do a wing liner, then you are very lucky, but I can't do it. I've tried it so many different ways. It just, I don't like it on me. It just makes it look, my eyes look droopy, and I don't want that. Sometimes when I curl my lashes, sometimes I'll have a little bit of that liner come off. I'll have to see if that happens today. No, it's okay so far. So I try to get as close to my lashes all the way to the bottom as I can. Same with the other side. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to use a little bit of this, and this is an eyelash primer. While that is drying, I am going to go and do my lower lashes, and I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Tightline. I like this for under my eyes because I like the brush of it. I think it's really nice, and it just makes it easy to get on my lower lashes, but it definitely doesn't do what I thought it was going to do, and I thought this would be a mascara I could just use and not have to use an eyeliner with. That is not the case. I'm going to go in and start applying my mascara. I'm using the Chanel Inimitable. I always feel like I'm not saying that right. And this is the waterproof version. So I'm going to, I feel like I'm far away. I'm going to get in here and I'm going to go right at the bottom and work my way up. And I always use black. So when I apply my mascara, I apply mini coats. And the reason that I do is because I want to see my lashes. I am not one of those people that can go like this, and no, I've never been that person. I can't do that. I would have mascara all over my eye. So I don't even bother. And maybe because my lashes aren't long enough, I don't know. So there's that eye, and there's my eye with no mascara. So you can see how that liner really helps to make my lashes look thicker. And now by using the primer and the way that I'm applying my mascara, my eyelashes look longer. So one thing I didn't tell you, and I'm going to talk about that while I'm doing this, is I have also been using a serum. I haven't been using it long enough, but I started using the new lash enhancing serum. So this was sent to me. This is not sponsored, any of this, but this was sent to me. And I do feel like it's helping, but I'm going to use it for a while before I give you my final thoughts on it. But I do feel like it is helping my lashes grow. I was using Revitalash and that was working for me for a while, and then I don't know what happened. It's like it just stopped working for me. Now it's not gonna look like I totally have false lashes on, but looks pretty good for, you saw what my lashes look like before. I just have to, I need all the help I can get. I really have to work at it. I like to have enough mascara on that I can see, I want to be able to see my lashes from a distance. So I look at it close up and I can see it far away. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. So what do you think? It makes a big difference, doesn't it? So I don't have to wear false eyelashes all the time. I do get spoiled with it because I do like that. It gives me more, I feel like it gives me more length. And I like that. Like I said, I don't have any transfer or anything, so I like that a lot. Anyways, that is it. That is how I get longer looking lashes. I know they don't look like they're false lashes. My lashes aren't long enough to look like that, but I do think that adding a primer really, really helps. I do think that adding a liner really helps as well too. We gotta do what we gotta do when we're mature ladies. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. And the older that we all get, the more stuff we have to do. This is the way it is. So anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Click on the notification bell too, because anytime I share a new video, you'll be notified. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. I will leave all the links with everything I shared in this video, everything I'm wearing in this video, except for my shirt, because I don't think they have this anymore. This is from Victoria's Secret, so they don't have it anymore. This is from Victoria's Secrets. They had this around Christmas time. I don't think they have these anymore. But anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all real soon.